Hey there, I hope everyone's having a great day. I have never done a video about food, and so today I was at Trader Joe's and I try to shop somewhat healthy. I do Weight Watchers Freestyle program, and I just kind of sort of live that Weight Watchers way of life for the most part. Of course, I have my cheat days just like anyone else, but I thought I'm gonna share with you some of the stuff that I bought that I have here on my counter. And this is mostly for me and kind of like my kids. My husband doesn't eat quite as healthy as we do. He just tends to be more of a steak and potatoes kind of man. And anyway, I'm gonna share with you some of the things that I bought in case you're looking for some healthier options. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what's here on my counter. Okay, so here are some of the things that I purchased. I always get beans. I like organic pinto beans and the black beans, and I like to just have these over brown rice with some salsa and a little bit of cheese, and I can actually call that a meal, and it's a pretty healthy meal. Then let's see here. My son likes to have kind of like a fruit and nut mix, and so the only fruit that I ever get is just these dried pitted tart cherries, because I like just a little bit of tartness and a little bit of sweet that you add to the nuts. So these are the ones that he likes. I prefer a couple different kinds, but anyway, I'll eat these, so it's okay. We kind of share. So anyway, I got raw almonds, raw pistachio, nut meats, halves and pieces. Then I got the pecan pieces as well as some walnuts. And all of these, you know, having a handful of nuts is good because it gives you some of your good fats that you need. And speaking of the good fats that you need, I got a couple of avocados here. So I like to slice those up and put them on a salad, or just even eat them just kind of as a side dish with whatever I'm making, avocado toast, things like that. For snacks, I get these Trader Joe's Bomba peanut snacks. And so they're just these sort of almost like the texture of a Cheeto, kind of a puff like that, but it has peanut butter on it. And you can see here, 40 pieces for 160 calories. It is no added sugar, so less than a gram of sugar, so they're not very sugary. They just have a real good peanutty taste. So as long as you're not allergic to peanuts, that's a fun thing to eat. Then just some multigrain pita chips with sesame seeds. And actually, if we're going to be honest, I didn't mean to get the ones with sesame seeds, but I like sesame seeds. It just adds a little more fat to it. And it's not too bad. 120 calories in 8 chips with 3 grams of fat. So not too bad. Then I got a bunch of fruit. I got a cantaloupe, which I'm going to cut up and make a fruit salad. As well as vegetables here. So here's fruit. I got some sliced mango. They don't have a lot of regular fruit. I like to just get this stuff that's already sliced as long as it's in season, along with watermelon spears and then some Del Monte Gold pineapple spears. I also picked up some organic strawberries. And then back to those veggies, I did just get some cut and peeled baby carrots, because those are always good to grab for a quick snack. I did get a vegetable stir-fry mix here with just lots of different vegetables in there, which I'm going to make with a stir-fry with tofu. Then cheese, this is all I got, was just this mozzarella all-natural Trader Joe's brand. And I got that because I like to have a tomato and mozzarella salad. This right here is for my son. True Moo chocolate milk. If you're going to drink chocolate milk, you might as well get the one that's only 1% milk. Most of the others have 4%, so I try to get that for him. It's lower in calories. You can see 140 calories. It also says no artificial growth hormones, no high fructose corn syrup. So that's the kind of chocolate milk that I buy because my husband and my son tend to be addicted to that stuff. Then here's another product that I decided to try. Ever since I had that golden latte when I was down there in Austin a few weeks ago, I kind of crave that sort of flavor. So I got this, which is the Trader Joe's spicy chai tea latte mix that you serve hot or cold. And I'm just going to try it. I have no idea if I'm going to like it or not, but it was only about $3.99, so it wasn't bad. 3 tablespoons, 170 calories, 3 grams of fat. 27 grams of sugar, that's a lot, actually. So we'll see. I don't know. I'll have it over iced and kind of more watered down, I think. I might add it with my different kinds of milks. I like cashew milk, almond milk, coconut milk. So I'll try that. I'll let you know if it's worth all those calories, fat, and sugar. I'm not a meat eater, but I do eat shrimp and some fish. So I had seen this Argentinian real shrimp, peeled and deveined. They're already cooked. They are huge shrimp. You can see here in the bag. So I'm going to look up some different recipes and maybe some different ways to make this. I'll probably thaw it and toss it maybe with like a ginger lime dressing that I actually made yesterday for something else. Then in the frozen, this is one of the things that I kind of keep in the house all the time, which is their gnocchi. And this is the one with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. It's really cool because everything is in there. You literally just toss it in a pan with some water. Actually stir it for about 7 minutes and it's done. And if you look here for the nutrition facts, it's really not bad. 200 calories, 3 grams of fat. Yes, it has a lot of carbs. Not a lot of sugar. It does have some protein. So I like to have that just to have it in the freezer, kind of like an emergency meal sort of a thing, so I'm not grabbing at unhealthy choices. Then this is a side dish that I like, which is their country potatoes with haricots, verts, and wild mushrooms. It's a really good tasting one as well. It's really good as a side dish. Again, one of the healthier options, I think. So a half of a cup cooked is 130 calories, 6 grams of fat. Not too bad, you know, if you look at the different fat contents there and everything else. So let me know what you think of this kind of video. Should I share more like this on my channel? Is this something that you're interested in? So I really appreciate everyone watching. Welcome to my new subscribers, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.